Hi, this is Sherron, the Modern Savvy CPA, coming to you again this week with my second video with podcasting. Today we're going to, since it's tax season, it's full-fledged tax season. It is the first week of February, and tax season for 2023 has officially begun. So because of that, we're going to discuss tax issues and meetings for small businesses. So these are things and questions that you should be talking to your accountant if you're a small business, whether you're a sole proprietor or you are a LLC, you're an S Corp, you're a partnership. You should be having a meeting with your accountant. Now today that meeting could be a meeting on Zoom, a meeting in person, a meeting on the phone. It really doesn't matter what kind of meeting. You should be communicating with your accountant. Communication is the key to controlling your money and not having your money control you. So I advise everyone that's a small business to definitely have a sit down with their accountant, and not only for filing taxes, but also to make sure that you're getting the support you need for growing of your business and for years to come, for you to have a plan, a strategy, whether it be a business strategy and a tax planning strategy. You also want to be able to ask income questions, whether how to categorize what kind of income you're receiving. You also definitely want to be educated on the tax changes for the year that has passed and tax changes for the upcoming year. It's definitely proactive for you to look at tax changes for the upcoming year, so then you understand how to strategize your spending and your income for the coming year. And of course, you want help on how to possibly get the best refund possible or make sure you're minimizing your tax liability. For most small businesses, they try to pay exactly what they're due, so the IRS is not keeping all your money and then you get a fat refund at the end. That would be nice, but a refund just means that you've paid too much. That's what that means. So of course, you're not sure, maybe you're not sure what kind of questions you want to ask. So the first question that you're going to want to talk about is, you want to talk about what are the rules for some common business deductions that you can make. So it's really, really important for you to understand what you can deduct as a business owner. As a business owner, you're able to deduct certain business expense. Most of them are called ordinary and necessary business expense. There are some that are extraordinary depending on the year that you're looking at. So it is important that you look at, it is very valuable that you understand what your expenses are and how they're deductible and how you come about to decreasing your taxable income, how to reduce your tax liability. So here are some of the most common deductions for small businesses for tax purposes. Home office deduction. Now, home office deduction. Since COVID, home office deduction before COVID was a once in a while kind of thing that people think about. Now today, most of us, whether we're small businesses or we're contractors and even wage employees, have home offices. Now, unfortunately, wage employees are not able to deduct their home office expense right now, but we're not talking about them today. We are talking about small business home office deduction. If your home office is in your principal residence, then you are able to deduct part of the expenses of your home as a tax deduction as part of your office. Usually this is done, I usually have a spreadsheet that I use for my clients, that so they understand. You take the square footage of the house and the square footage of what you are using for your office might include some storage, and that is your percentage of your home office expense for all of your home office. So definitely talk to your CPA or tax advisor about your home office, a space that you use exclusively for your business. The second is your internet and cell phone expenses. If you are using your internet and your cell phone for business, you can claim that as your business deduction. But keep in mind that your internet and your cell phone is both business and personal if that's what you're using it for. So only a portion of your bill will be deductible as a business expense. More specifically, the percentage that's allocated for business use. So you definitely want to talk to your CPA or your tax advisor about your cell phone usage if that is not something that you're looking at.